One of the most important things about learning to garden in Florida is knowing which months are good to plant which types of plants. Here's my list for September and October. Amaranth is a great trap plant and an awesome green. They're easy to grow and the whole plant is edible. Both bush beans and pole beans will do great this time of year. Just know if we have a hard frost, they will need to be covered overnight. Frosts are rare here, but it's worth the risk to be. Now's a great time to plant both kale and collard greens. They're both heat and frost resistant. Don't forget to plant brown mustard 6 to 15 feet away is a great trap crop for their common pests. I start my first weekly row of carrots September 1st. You can get in one more crop of corn and start your cucumbers from seed. They love fall weather in Florida. It's also an excellent time to plant eggplants of all varieties. They will need to get covered if we do get a hard frost. And please don't leave out all of those beneficial flowers like borage, marigolds, nasturtiums. All of those make great companion plants for your fall garden. I also like to grow high pollen and nectar producing flowers to draw in beneficial insects like wasps. Drawing in wasps with pollen and nectar, they'll stay there and eat your pests as well. Speaking of pests, you know I love garden huckleberry is a trap plant for nightshade family plants. You can still put your shampoo ginger and edible ginger in the ground now. They'll die back in winter and come back in spring. Most herbs can be planted now with a couple exceptions that I'll list at the end of this video. Strong smelling herbs make excellent companion plants by blocking the smells of other plants planted nearby. So plant those around the outside of your other plants. We can still plant okra, and September is my favorite month to plant onions, both bulbing and spring. We can also still start sweet peppers and hot peppers from seed, and you can make transplants. So if you buy a starter plant, you can plant that now too. I also plant white and red potatoes this month. September is the month that I start interplanting radishes in my other raised garden beds. We can still get another harvest of cowpeas or southern peas. All winter and summer squash can be planted now, including pumpkins. My favorites being porcelain doll, seminole, scallop, and blue Hubbard squash. Both bear root and strawberry plugs. It's a good month to plant tomatoes from seed, both determinate and indeterminate varieties. Turnips are a great beginner crop. They are quick to harvest and very easy to grow. Another favorite for this time of year is Swiss chard, and it comes in so many different beautiful colors. September is also a great month to plant watermelons and cantaloupe. I recommend waiting until October to start things that like to bolt and go straight to seed when it's still hot out. So wait until October for salad greens, fennel, basil, cilantro, and your other brassicas like broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments, and happy gardening.